Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The imminent burning of trillions of Shiba Inu tokens could have a significant impact on the price of the Shiba Inu. You must view this if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shiba tokens. What is the latest on the burning of trillions of Shib? And how will it impact the Shiba Inu's worth? The fresh price-boosting information regarding Shiba Inu that has recently surfaced will be revealed, together with my answers to these queries, in today's video. Shiba Inu still has a very high chance of making you a billionaire. You should watch the entire movie to catch all the price-boosting information because I put a lot of study into it. Nevertheless, before we discuss our topic, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is performing as of April 20th. Nowadays, a Shiba Inu costs roughly 1094 units. Shib's price has dropped 2.3% during the past day, and $273 million worth of transactions were made during that time. The token is now the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market valuation of about $6.4 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. There are 549 trillion sheet coins in circulation, but owing to coin burns, this amount is dwindling daily. The initial supply of the token was 1 quadrillion. Guys, be mindful of scammers posing as the channel in the comments. As we do not now have WhatsApp or Telegram, we must first inform you of the most recent Shiba Inu crypto news from today before moving on to the main subject of the film. Now let's get started without wasting any time. More ways to spend your SHIB with Now Payments and Shiba Inu. With the 2022 alliance with Now Payments and Shibarium, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has largely been growing. Through this partnership, SHIB's functionality is being improved and more crypto payments are being accepted, opening up new possibilities for the expanding community. We'll investigate how Now Payments' dedication to boosting SHIB acceptance, together with its wide network of shops and businesses, sustains the rising demand for this well-known cryptocurrency as we evaluate the alliance's ongoing effects. The alliance has been hailed by the parties as a turning point. It might improve the Shiba Inu ecosystem, increase the use of cryptocurrency payments, and promote SHIB's development. That is, at least, the plan. Also, by working together, SHIB could be able to reach a wider audience and increase its usefulness. By partnering with Shibarium, Payments is now encouraging the adoption of SHIB and working to increase SHIB acceptability generally. A thriving few are what the Dutch firm, a crypto payment gateway, intends for SHIB. In fact, our alliance represents an important step toward making that vision a reality. This collaboration will now be advantageous to Payments' vast network of retailers and companies, increasing demand for SHIB, the blockchain of the Sharium. The cooperation needs a Layer 2 solution. SHIB may be integrated into the Now Payments platform thanks to its cutting-edge technology, which increases the effectiveness and efficiency of transactions. The token's utility is increased, and its power over the crypto payment scene is strengthened, thanks to the adoption of Shibarium's technology. The power of Layer 2 solutions. Shibarium and other Layer 2 blockchain solutions have a number of benefits. For instance, they provide lesser fees and better transaction speeds compared to blockchains at Layer 1. These advantages add to the Shiba Inu's popularity as a useful payment option. Layer 2 solutions also improve security and scalability, making them essential for broad adoption. There are more partnerships fueling SHIB's expansion outside the Now Payments and Shibarium alliance. Collaborations with BitPay, FinancePay, and Switcher have all been essential. These partnerships have accelerated SHIB's growth, acceptance, and legitimacy in the cryptosphere. SHIB's ascent has been aided by BitPay, a well-known Bitcoin payment service provider. BitPay has opened up new possibilities for both customers and businesses by accepting SHIB payments. As an illustration of the growing interest in SHIB as a payment option, Newegg, a well-known online retailer of computer hardware and consumer electronics, said it will accept SHIB payments through BitPay. Encouraging the adoption of cryptocurrencies with finance. SHIB's development has also been aided by Binance Pay, a contactless, borderless, and secure cryptocurrency payment option. Shib has been integrated into FinTech Pay's payment infrastructure, facilitating the token's widespread use. Additionally, it has strengthened Shib's standing as a significant player in the cryptocurrency payment environment. Shib is even more appealing to both consumers and businesses due to Binance Pay's user-friendly design and worldwide reach. Now Payments has partnered with Switcher, a user-friendly tool for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies without ID verification. Customers can use this alliance to pay retailers with Shib tokens. As a result, the collaboration has grown. The utility and range of the token with Switcher's platform, even newcomers to cryptocurrency may take part in Shiba transactions without any hassle. It would be greatly appreciated if you could click the like button if you are still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. Moreover, keep an eye on the headlines to learn about a big Shiba Inu coin burn. The collaboration between Now Payments and Shibarium, as well as other business partnerships, could help Shiba Inu advance into the future. These collaborations have increased the token's utility and popularity, strengthening its place in the ecosystem of cryptocurrency payments. They have thereby laid the groundwork for Shib's long-term development. Although Shib and its recent alliances have generated confidence, difficulties still lie ahead. Shib must overcome a number of challenges, including market volatility, competition, and regulatory worries, if it is to keep up its momentum and expand in the cryptocurrency industry. Shib has to stay ahead of the curve and set itself apart from rivals as the market for digital money becomes increasingly congested. Shib must continually innovate to succeed. Shib can convince both businesses and customers of the value of its platform by creating distinctive use cases and establishing strategic alliances. Shib's dedication to innovation and development is best demonstrated by its recent partnerships with Now Payments, BitPay Financing, Pay, and Switcher. Shiba Inu deals with ambiguity. Shib has yet another obstacle because of the changing regulatory environment. Shib must adjust to new guidelines and limitations as regulators and governing bodies throughout the world debate the effects of digital currency. Shib can maintain its long-term viability and continue to prosper in the digital economy by staying ahead of regulatory developments. Shib's capacity to establish a strong ecosystem through cooperation and collaboration is directly related to its future. Shib can increase its utility and reach by forming solid partnerships with organizations like Now Payments, Shibarium, BitPay, Finance, Pay, and Switcher. These collaborations increase Shib's attractiveness to businesses and customers while promoting innovation and expansion within the crypto payment industry. Shiba Inu is currently the market's dark horse due to the daily addition of new alliances and ecosystem advancements. Due to all of these factors, I do think there will be a pump soon. Let's move on to the primary plot of the video for today. Shibarium will annually burn 500 billion Shib tokens. According to Shiba Inu, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu community on Twitter, the annual Shib burn rate on Shibarium is expected to be fewer than 500 billion Shib. Shib claimed in a tweet that he had calculated the burn rate by conducting a burn estimate based on the current prices of BONE and Shib and the volume of top layer 2 transactions over the past 30 days. One of the respondents pointed out that Shibarium developers had previously claimed that they would burn 111 trillion Shib each year, suggesting that the Shiba post